Well, I'm on a no cool. It's actually a job we put in 2 years ago. Um, we're over here kind of off to the side. Town is that way. Out this way is just nothing but, well, the outskirts of town, I should say. The highway's right here. It's kind of a secluded area here. It's a construction site. Well, it's an office for a general contractor that does work from LA up to San Francisco. But this is one of their offices for the Central Valley. Anyway, I'll quit rambling. They called me for a no cool unit we put in 2 years ago, and I showed up, and this is what I found. um, the condenser coil is gone, and I guess somebody scared them off because they started to cut the copper. Actually, the copper, they cut it. They just took the coil. So think I found why it's not cooling. Unbelievable. But yeah, it's a pain. It's R22. Everything's here. Yeah, it's a pain. It's a PA13NR 060-8 2008, 37th week. This is when the unit was made. But yeah, very interesting.